Do you ever feel like you need a holiday just to recover from your holiday? I certainly have. The secret to a truly restorative trip isn't about spending more money or jetting off to some far-flung, exotic locale. It is about traveling smarter, not harder. With thoughtful planning, you can transform your travels from a stressful scramble into a genuinely joyful experience. Make your journey smoother, make it more affordable, make it more memorable. These tips are things I've learned over decades wandering through Europe's back doors. They work just as well anywhere your heart desires to go. In this little guide, we will walk through simple, practical steps to help you do just that. Turn trip planning into an enjoyable part of the adventure. Not complex spreadsheets or rigid, minute-by-minute schedules. Straightforward hacks, easy-to-adopt habits that save time, stretch your budget, and reduce travel anxieties. Think of this as your friendly pre-flight checklist. We will cover choosing your dates, setting a realistic budget, packing light, booking the right kind of accommodation. First things first, let's talk timing. One of the most impactful decisions you can make is when you travel. If your schedule has any flexibility, aim for the shoulder seasons. Spring-autumn just before and after the big summer rush. Flights and hotels are often significantly less expensive. Traveling on a Tuesday or Wednesday can sometimes save you up to 20% compared to a weekend. You'll also get fewer crowds at famous sites, more space and time to appreciate them. Next up, the budget. A simple budget is your best friend. It doesn't need to be complicated. Jot down major costs. Flights, accommodation, food, key activities. Add about 15% as a buffer. Use that for unexpected discoveries. A charming local restaurant, a last-minute concert ticket. People who track spending usually end up spending less. Big bookings now. Flights accommodation. Book flights 2 to 3 months in advance for international trips. Use price alert tools. For accommodation, look past big hotels. Consider a family-run guest house or a central apartment. Read recent traveler reviews. Staying a few blocks from the main square can be cheaper and give a quieter, more authentic neighborhood experience. Finally, packing. Golden rule. Pack light. Lay out what you think you need, then put half back. You'll thank yourself navigating trains instead of hauling a giant suitcase upstairs. Use packing cubes to organize and compress. Carry on under 10 kilograms, forces discipline, and can save roughly £50 to £100 in checked fees per round trip. You've arrived. Now the real adventure begins. My first piece of advice for when you're on the ground is to pace yourself. It's so tempting to try and cram everything in, but a frantic trip is rarely a fun one. I like to plan just one major site or activity per day. This leaves plenty of room in your schedule for spontaneous discoveries. You could stumble upon a lovely little park, a bustling market, or a quiet cafe perfect for people watching. A little known fact, our studies on holiday satisfaction show travelers with more unstructured time feel more refreshed and fulfilled post-trip. Getting around is a huge part of the experience, so embrace local transport. Taxis are easy, but can isolate you from the real rhythm of a city. Taking the bus, tram or metro is not only cheaper, but also a fantastic cultural experience. It's where you'll see locals going about their daily lives. Before you go, download the city's transit app and an offline map. Here's a fun fact. In many European cities, a single public transport ticket is valid for 60 or 90 minutes, allowing you to make multiple transfers on one fare, making it incredibly efficient for a quick series of errands or short hops between sites. Let's talk documents and safety. In this digital age, it's incredibly easy to have backups. Before you leave, take clear photos of your passport, driver's license, flight confirmations, and hotel bookings. Email them to yourself or save them to a secure cloud service. A stark fact from insurance companies is that replacing a lost passport abroad without any proof of identity can take several days and be a bureaucratic nightmare. So this simple step is your best insurance. My last two tips are quick but mighty. First, always get travel insurance. It might feel like an unnecessary expense, but if you face a medical issue or a major travel disruption, you will be so grateful you have it. It's a small price to pay for immense peace of mind. A surprising fact is that many credit cards offer some form of travel insurance, so check your card's benefits before you buy a separate policy. And finally, learn a few simple travel hacks. Always carry a portable power bank for your phone, a reusable water bottle to save money and plastic, and a small combination lock for your day pack or hostel locker. These small things make a big difference. So there you have it. We've journeyed through 10 simple but powerful tips to make your travels better. To quickly recap, it all starts with smart planning. Travel in the shoulder season, create a simple budget, and book your flights and accommodation with care. Then you must pack light. Your back will thank you for it. Once you arrive, remember to pace yourself with one big activity per day, embrace the efficiency and fun of local transport, and always keep digital copies of your important documents just in case. And of course, never leave home without travel insurance and your handy kit of small hacks like a power bank and water bottle.